Is music something you've always wanted to do?
I've been singing from like childhood, but then I decided to make music after SHS when I started listening to like Mr. Eazi. But I've been singing in the choir.
Wait. You started listening to who?
Mr. Eazi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your age is showing now, eh?
Yeah. Mr. Eazi. So, like, I've been singing in the choir. My mom used to teach me how to sing a lot growing up. So, after SHS, I just decided to get into the game.
So you're a church boy? You wouldn't say that. You used to be a church boy. You're not a church boy.
No.
Why?
I don't know. I like to talk to God direct now.
Say again?
I like to speak to God direct now.
What? Oh, so wait, those that go to the church, you can't speak to God
No,
directly.
everybody has their way of worship.
Right.
You know? Yeah.
I heard someone say religion is between God and I.
Yeah, that's somebody's opinion.
Right.
Somebody's opinion to his religion is go to church, this, that, and that.
It.
And then you have to respect everyone's opinion.
Straight up. And how long has this been since SHS now? How long have you been singing?
So I've been in the game for like 5 years now.
5?
Yeah.
5.
But then I came in very young, so it's still not. It still feels fresh.
Do you mind sharing your age?
I'm 25.
Oh, you're young.
Okay, I'll be 25 this Friday.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay. Now I feel very old sitting next to you. Twitch, would you say that track, what's the title of that track? The one I was singing, Take Your Something.
Yeah.
Would you say that's the track that brought you to the limelight?
Yeah, that's my breakthrough song. Yeah. I remember I wrote that song in first year at university, and then that's when I met Ground Up, and then Kwesi Arthur hopped on the song, and then it's been history ever since.
It was big. My producers will probably look for that song and put it on standby so we can
100%,
play. I totally love that song. What inspired that song? Because the words of that song, very relatable.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, not the take your something parts, because Charlie, let's be honest, sometimes when your heart gets broken, it's not the message. But what inspired that song? The lyrics goes like, "You this girl, every time you say I love you."
Yeah. And every minute I did text you, say that I miss you. We were friends, you and I, and I thought things were just going right. In a twinkle of an eye, you did show me attitude. Yeah, I'm moving on, I know be true, so
take your something. Somebody show you something before?
I mean, yeah, like I was trying to connect with this girl back in uni, and then all of a sudden she switched up, and then her energy moved different. And then I was walking to the university pool one day, and then
the song came to you. And you were tired of thinking, eh?
Yeah.
Would you say that they say that some of the biggest songs that have emerged in the world from artists are songs that they are able to relate to from their lives? You know?
Yeah, 100%. Like, you feel like you're the only one going through it, but when you sing, you know, you realize the message and the reception you get, you feel, you know, you're not alone.
It's a thing. So are you still with Ground Up?
No. Ground Up is history. We moved on a long time ago.